For the last 10 years, the audio optical cord has been our go-to when connecting sound bars and other media devices to our TVs. And why not? It's easy to use, it's cheap, and it's sold basically everywhere. But what if I told you that you probably have a cable that's much more effective than the optical cord laying around your home and you probably don't even know it? Stick around, guys, as I break it all down and we find out what this mystery cable is. What's going on, guys? It is I, Larry the Tech Guy, coming at you guys with another video. I'm the owner of a tech installation business called TechWorks TV Mounting, and no matter what home I visit for an installation, I get asked the same question. And that is, what can I do to make my speakers sound better? And most of the time, I tell them to throw away all their optical cords. Don't worry, I was guilty of this in the past. Most soundbars come with a brand new optical cord, and we just assume that that optical cord is gonna be the best thing for our speakers. It's actually the cheapest option, not the best. Nothing against the optical cord, it's got us through the last 10 years or so with some pretty decent audio and a pretty okay movie watching experience. But with newer technology comes newer and more innovative ways to connect that technology. And with HDMI 2.1 growing bigger and bigger every day, the HDMI cord offers a much higher audio quality than the optical cable. Another reason to ditch your optical cords for HDMI cables is durability. The optical cord was revolutionary when it was invented in the 80s, allowing us to connect CD players to receivers and such. But it's extremely fragile as it's only essentially just a glass cable wrapped in a rubber coating. One wrong bend and your optical cord is useless. HDMI cables are much more flexible and they last a lot longer. At the end of the day, the optical cord is a great alternative to connecting your speakers to your media devices. But if you want to level up your audio, I recommend that you ditch the optical cord and just switch to HDMI. Thank you guys so much for checking out the video. If you guys got any questions about anything that I talk about in the videos, go ahead and leave that in the comment section. If you guys got anything useful out of the video today, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe on the page. I'm going to be dropping videos every week and it's going to be about something different. And if you guys got any new suggestions on videos that I should do, go ahead and leave that in the comment section as well. Thanks a lot again, guys. Until next time, peace.